Good morning.
Sir,
How are you all?
I am fine, sir.
I hope everybody is doing good. So today I am going to share introduction part. Which part? Introduction part. Introduction. Introduction. What is the introduction? How will I say? How could I explain? So anybody have idea? Who have idea? Nobody have. Okay, example I am going to share. Example I am going to share. Okay. My name is Vinod Kumar Yadav. I belong to Prayagraj in UP. I had completed my graduation 2021 and till this year complete my MA Economics. Okay? Are you getting my point or not?
Yes, sir.
Everybody listen carefully. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So example already shared. Which thing? Introduction part. Introduction part. Everybody clear or not?
Yes, sir.
If you don't mind, again I can share. No. Second. Introduction after second part. Which part? Second. Like a interview, na? Interview part. No. Speaking, na? Speaking. First. Sorry. What happened? Reading. Reading. First thing, reading. If you want speaking skill, so reading skill.
सर फोन में आपके दिख ही नहीं रहा है, रीडिंग लिख रहे हैं।
Reading skill. Not showing. Not so.
Yes, sir.
No issue, no issue. Don't do. Reading. Reading skill. Reading skill. Which skill?
Reading.
Reading skill. If you want improve speaking skills, so firstly careful listen. Hey dear, careful listen. Reading skill. Reading skill so much required. Reading skill. Which skill? Reading skill. Okay. Anybody have English books? Anybody? Any kind of English book? Nobody have. Try to give. If you have English books, anything. Okay. Reading skill. I'm going to write. Okay, then we can read. Reading and writing. Reading, writing, and listening. Listening. Which things? Listening. Third one. Listening. Listining. Listening. Third thing most required. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Writing. I am going to write. Writing. First thing, writing. Okay? Listen carefully and sir, look at here. Okay? Hello everyone.
Yes, sir.
Once upon a time, there was a one class. One class happened Sunday. Okay? Happened Sunday. This is a writing skill. And reading skill. Once upon a time, there was a was a class and happened Sunday. This is a reading skill. Once upon a time, there was a class, happened Sunday.
टीचर ने
No issue. Sunday. Okay, this is a reading skill. Listening skill. Anyone know listening skill?
सर जी ऊपर से
Who is know very well? Listening skill. Nobody. Listening skill. Listening skill. Listening skill. Listening skill. Listening skill. It means we can say what I had already right here. No? What I had already right here. Which thing right? Once upon a time, there was a class, happened Sunday. This is a listening. You listen, na? What I say, what I write, you can see. What I say, you can listen. Listen carefully. Whosoever listen carefully, that person definitely can understand easy way. In a easy way. Okay? This is a listening skill. Reading skill, you can read any books, any kind of books. This is a reading skill. A writing skill, what you want to write, anything you can write, 1 page, 2 page. This is very much important. Okay? And third thing, if you can saw the movie pictures, like movie picture, this is a listening skill. You can make a question also. This is a great point. Your improvement effect. So this is a like speaking. This is a spoken class. Okay? Which class? Spoken. And third one, question asking. Anybody have a question? Try to ask one by one. Small question. Anybody ask? You have any question? And you? Small question you can ask. Anything. You have any question? You have any question?
सर पहले मुर्गी निकली पर अंडा
What you want to ask? I meet you. I will come, then meet you, okay? You have any question? You have? Athiks? You have any question? Any doubt? Any question? Nobody has. Any question you have?
क्या क्वेश्चन पूछा सर पूछो
You can ask any question like example in English. Just, you have any question? Anybody? You have any question? You have?
ये दूसरा पूछ रहा
You
था
have any question? Nobody has a question. Try to ask anyone else.
बड़े हो जाओ
सर पहले मुर्गी निकली कि अंडा
This is a question. Try to say in English, then I can. Then why are you asking Hindi? Then why are you asking Hindi?
नहीं है क्वेश्चन सर कोई
Try to speak little language, little. Just we can say example.
कैसे मार कर वो चला
Example.
अच्छा मार
Example. Okay. Become. Which thing? Become. Who know become? Anybody? Become. It means. Yeah. Correct. Become. In future, what do you want to become? I had made question. I had made question. Which question? What do you want to become? In future, what do you want to become?
अब वो आप क्या लिखे हैं
Example. Okay. What word become? Become. So question है. So question. What you want to become? Become. Example. I am going to share example. I am going to share example. I am preparing for UP Triple SC, and my preparation is going on. So in upcoming future, I want to become a statistical officer. So this is a become, and upcoming I am preparing for English based on language speaking like that. So becoming a master, English master. Okay.
Please ask.
This is a become. Become. Okay. Anybody have query? Nobody have query.
सबसे
Move ahead. Move ahead. Second thing. Understanding. Understanding. Okay. Who know understanding? What happened? Try to listen and sound it. Okay. Understanding. Whatever I had shared in previous time, so there was a great point. If you don't have any query, if you don't have misunderstanding, this is called understanding. This is called understanding. And second thing, misunderstanding. Second point. First point understanding, second point misunderstanding. Okay, misunderstanding, it means we can say whatever I had already said, and nobody had understand question, example, everything. Nobody clear doubt. This is called misunderstanding. Okay? And last one, interview related. Okay? Interview. First thing, introduction part, already shared introduction part. Second thing, what you want to become? I want to become a statistical officer. Second and third, why are you choose that job? Second, what you want to become? I want to become a statistical officer. Second thing, why are you choose that job? I am going to share new things. Everybody care about and listen carefully, okay? Third thing, why are you choose that job? Why are you choose? Hey, silent everybody. Yes, why are you choose that job? Because my father is working horticulture department. That's why I had choose. Horticulture department, it means farmer, government farmer. That's why I have to choose. Okay? Everybody understand? So I'm going to say thank you so much my family, because they had provided to me this type of knowledge, opportunity, like study and provide the food and money balance also. This is called my appreciation, and thank you so much for my family. And past 2 months my completely golden month. So there was a great time to that time. So thank you so much for my God gift family, God gift friend. So, and what I achieved, nobody can expect. Okay. And last thing, if anybody want Last thing, hello, listen. Last thing, everybody want understanding in any kind of books. So please try to understand. Please try to listen and sir also. Hello, Atiks. One book, any kind of book. One book, any kind of book. You can read one time, two time, three time, four time, five time, six time, seven times. Definitely I can share. English, Neetu ma'am, volume first. I had learned 7 times. Nobody can expect. Grammar book, 7 times I had learned.
So what is phrase?
Yes.
Phrase.
Sorry?
Phrase.
Phrase?
Phrase.
Question time is gone. Don't ask question. Question time has gone already. What do you want to say? So, what I say? Neetu ma'am, topper choice. 7 times I had learned the book. So I will share definitely. Anybody want improvement? So try to choose one book. And try to learn fast every day and revise daily basis. Okay? 1 time, 2 time, if you learn 3rd time, so definitely you can get a better improvement.
Please tell me.
Okay? Go ahead. Watch my everything and put it my comment, and there was a great. Thank you so much giving to this opportunity, and
Subscribe and like my channel.
okay, subscribe and like my channel. If you get any query, if you have any problem, if you want another class, so try to put a comment also. Is there available? Okay? If you want consult with me, so write my number 8765465488.
Please clap for sir.
Okay?
Clapping कर दो सर के लिए.
And speaking quality content, video editing, speaking, personality development, YT content, and thumbnail. Everything anybody want improvement, so join to me. Okay, like, subscribe. Thank you so much.